Hey Nisha again, I'm back with another video, and with this video is gonna be another wig install. It's not a headband wig. I thought it was raining. It's not a headband wig. So y'all gonna see it. I just was really thinking on, do I want to do this video today? Do I want to do this video tomorrow? I just said, well, let me do it today to give y'all some content. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I really don't get no sleep. I get my sleep during the day. Like I can't sleep at night. But I've been on and off sleeping, and it's like when the phone ring, I pop up, but I be in a deep good sleep. But I just need to just go to sleep again. But let me do this content for you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna post it today. I may start to edit the video, but complete the editing part probably later on tonight and up into the morning. And by then, if I do it like that, I'll have this video up tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. So yeah, it's just me getting up and doing it. But like I said, I want to give y'all content. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will not miss when Anisha Gang posts. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I'm back. Yeah, I have some short, like, underneath this. And top to go. I don't know why. I just like this little thing. I don't know. But hey, y'all can't see. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm tired. Let me just. I'm gonna have to shut this. So yeah. So I received my package. It came on the 5th, and I'm just checking my mailbox. I still have problems with my wrist. I don't have I no longer wear the splint because that don't work. It makes it work. So I don't know why I didn't get scissors, but yeah. I'm gonna put that right here. That's what it comes in. It's Kiss and We Go. Ouch. Oh, I like the color. Oh, I have little gifts. Period. Y'all know I love some lip gloss. I have lip gloss. And lashes. Lotus. Oh yeah. Y'all know I love a good lash. Y'all, if I sound sluggish, don't mind me because I'm just tired. And I have a cap. And this how the wig is. Oh, this is a long mama. And I also have for the lashes. Love it, love it. This is a long mama. How many inches is this? Long mama. But this is the wig, and like it's a band. Okay, let's see. And I'm going. This is long mama. Okay. If I'm breathing hard, I'm sorry, but I don't know. Lately, it's been like that. And y'all probably notice in all my videos. This is the instructions, the care instructions. Ooh, long mama. We gonna get long mama together. Y'all, my elbows may be ashy because I ain't got out the tub and I put lotion on, but I guess I didn't put enough. Oh yeah. Long mama, no shedding, none of that. I already have my hair, my cap on, and I already have a braid. So we're just gonna put this on. So, okay, let's see. Y'all, I love the head. I just fell in love with the headband wig because it got that elastic. I don't remember how it felt to have one of these, but this is comfortable. Yo, I'm just really tired. They got the, wait, hold up. Oh, this one not with the comb. They just got the, I snapped it to the back. The little hook part, wait. Okay, the comb. Okay, this one just got that, okay. Oh, long mama, I like long mama. Long mama. Y'all, let me get my comb. Where's my brush? I don't know where my red tail comb at, but that's what we're gonna work with today. Push this back some. Y'all, I said I was gonna never get wigs with a bang, but cause I don't like that stuff in my face. But today, but I liked it this wig when I seen it. Wait, I need my wig brush. I don't know why I'm using that right now. Where's my wig brush? I'm gonna just use this because I don't feel like going out to get the other one. The other one I really like. Y'all, it is so hot in this bathroom. Let me put the air on in the bathroom. just hot. If y'all hear that, I'm sorry. It's just hot, and I need. Oh, that's not. That's from that side. Y'all, I love this wig. I will let y'all know. I'll put everything in the description box down below where I got it from. And yeah. Y'all, I had to get the other brush because that one wasn't giving me what it needed to give. And I like this one better. Y'all. And I like this wig. If you know how to fix up wigs, like, you know, do your thing to make it look natural or whatever, or to not make it look like who did it and got away with it, then do that. But if you don't, I advise you to seek a professional stylist to help you out. But it's simple. You just gotta have the patience to want to deal with it. I really like Long Mama. Like, if I don't want it in a, like that bang coming down, you could just do like a, you know, fix it up. Like that or something. If you don't want that, cause like I really told myself, oh, cause it be in my, and if it be in your eye, that means you gotta push it back some. Don't do no extra cutting. You know, push it back some to your liking. Look at all my, I'm combing my hair with it out. You know, push it. Oops, we don't need that big roots showing. You know, just to your liking. It's better like that, but you know, if you can't, like me, I can't see right now. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to push this back. So we gonna make it work. I just, you know, make it. If you still can't see, just push it back. That's all you have to do, make it work. And I think I'm gonna just use this for now, cause right now I'm like really feeling that I'm cutting. I mean, not cutting. I just don't like the bangs. I'm not saying I don't like this bang. I love this wig. I'm just saying I don't like bangs, period. But I really love this wig when I seen it. And especially the length. Whew, I'm just really tired right now, but yeah. See, that's much better. It's not all in my face. Or even if you don't want to, like, you say, look, it's still, oh, I have to get it in your eye. You know what you do? Push it back some more until you like it. Okay. Y'all. See, now it's okay. It's not bothering me. You just have to play with it. This little piece keep getting in the way. like get over there, and you get over there. Yeah, you see, it's that one piece that don't want to act right, keep getting in my way. Like, Sylvester, get over there, and Penny, you get over here. Melissa, what is you doing? Oh, that's not Melissa, that's Kernisha. That was my real help. They got it in the front. So like, it's not really like how it was all in my eye. It's not bothering me now. But you know, you play with it. And I use this brush because that wig brush was really like, when I was doing this to the bang with that wig brush, it was eating my hair and that was hurting. They have like a little brown highlight in this wig. I like it. I really thought, from the looks of it, I really thought, ooh, y'all, I wasn't digging in my nose. I was just fixing my ring. So I'm saying, oh, she was digging in her nose because I wasn't. Period. I wasn't digging in my nose. I was fixing my ring. Y'all know what I'm about to do is so like I say, y'all know what I'm about to do. Oh. Or you could do like a little, if you don't want the bang, you could do like a little, you know, just play with it. A little soup. I said scoop. Come on, Angela. You could do that. I think I'm gonna leave it like that because, and just fix my edges right there. It was fixed, but you know. I'll rock it like this. So this is the finished look. You could put it like this if you just want it. Let me see if I sit down. Now, Mary said I was going to be sitting on it. I'm not sitting on it, but that's that. So that's that. And y'all, I always smell lip gloss. That's any kind, my own lip gloss. I always smell it. It's a habit. I really love this lip gloss. So this is it. This is simple. You know, let me sit down because it be feeling like I'm about to pass out. Y'all. And if y'all, I know I was making a lot of faces, but y'all excuse me because it was hot. I'm hot. That's why I was making all them faces. But this is a good quality wig. If you guys want to purchase, you guys, whew. If you guys want to purchase, I will have everything in the description box down below. And you guys already know, whew, y'all, I'm breathing so hard and out of breath. The Cosbo channel, you guys know them. If you don't, go over and subscribe to their channel. I will put in the description box down below. Also, I will put her Facebook and her Instagram in the description box down below. And y'all go support. She really has awesome wigs. Yeah, I'm just cleaning up. Okay. So y'all just go support her. Like, she really have, I love the wigs. And I will be making another purchase. I like to switch it up. I have one coming on the way, but I believe Monday. And it's 20 inches, the one that's coming Monday. And I'm gonna do another install so y'all can see how that one is. You know, I like to switch it up, period. But this is, I think this will be more for winter, cause baby, I will not be wearing this out long in the summer. How hot this summer is, but summer is almost over, so I got me a long mama. That's why I call it long mama. Long mama. So yeah, I'm gonna have everything in the description. Dang, this is gonna be a long video. I have everything in the description box down below. I don't be trying to make my videos that long, but I talk too much. Y'all, like, and y'all want to see me put the lashes on, just say that. Just say that. Because I'll put the lashes on. Because I know y'all want to see. So So yeah, she sells lashes. This one is Lotus. This how it looks. And she sells lip gloss. This is the Ruby Kisses 24K Rose Gold, Gold Oil Active. I don't know how to pronounce that. Dora Do. And this is it. I love it. They have like little stars or designs or whatever in it. But she sells this as good lip gloss. And these are her lashes. Like I say, I'll put everything down in the description box. Yeah, I'll cover down below. I like to clean up as I go, because when I'm finished, I don't have a lot to deal with, if you know what I mean. I don't like stuff all over. I really don't. And y'all, I don't know if y'all seen, but I had put, you know, just to keep them hairs down. I don't know. I just be thinking I know what I'm doing, and somehow it comes out right. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Y'all just don't judge me. I might just put this in here so I don't have to keep going. So I'm gonna put these lashes on so you guys can see. And we're gonna go from there. This keep getting in the way, and I'm feeling some type of way about that. Put this back. Put that right there. So yeah, okay, that's everything. Yeah, it's so hot in this bathroom. Like, I don't know why, but it is. Y'all really love this wig. Long mama. I need to know how many inches is this. Let me see. I don't see it on here. Let me see. That's just available colors. Yeah, I'm not sure how many inches this is. And this is the y'all, my camera died. My phone died. I mean, not camera, my phone. So I'm just putting my glue on. I never do this on camera, so y'all getting this for the first time, cause I get nervous. Like, I feel like, cause I know that it's recording, and I feel like people is watching me, but y'all not. I gotta see for myself how it look. It look natural. Dang. See, I gotta get close. Cause if I'm back like that, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And I need to make sure this is on. And they are on and popping. Y'all, so I also wanted to mention that my lip gloss is finally coming. I don't know, probably 4, 5, 6 videos ago or whatever, I mentioned in a few of my videos that I was going to keep you guys updated on the 3 new lip glosses that was coming. So I will have that sometimes next week. And I'm going to have my new ring light. So, yeah, I've been waiting on that ring light forever. So the ring light is coming Monday. And the lip gloss should be coming either Tuesday, Wednesday, I believe. I have to check again. But yeah. So be on the lookout for that. Yeah, I love this wig. Look, I really do. Again, I will have everything in the description box down below. And y'all can check that out. And like I said, check out, if you want to make a purchase of the wig, just let Mary know. You can shoot her an inbox, DM, stuff like that of that nature, to get y'all in one of these long mamas if y'all want a long mama. She also have headband wigs that she sell. So I'm not sure how many she have left for purchase, but I know she have some. So you guys could go check that out. Get with her. She's gonna get with you and make it happen. So you could be rocking your long mama, your short mama, whatever that you want. So like I said, it's good quality wigs that she have. I thought I heard something. Okay, I think I have to let my doctor know when I go back to the doctor, like I'm doing too much heavy breathing. What's up with that? That's not good. Y'all, I had a veggie burger. Like, I don't have a taste for meat. If I eat pork chops, chicken, like, I eat a piece and, like, it feel like I want to throw up. It's just, I can't have, like, I don't know. It's just like, mm-mm. But today I had a veggie burger and it was awesome. And I wanted more. So, but like I eat my fruits, my vegetables. Yeah, I eat my fruits. That's the hell. I eat my fruits and vegetables because it's itching me all right here. Long mama, come on now, you make this hurt. But I love it. Y'all go purchase you one. I know I jumped off the subject, but oh well. Deal with it. So that concludes this video. Have my Lotus eyelashes on, and like I said, this is from Metairie. I will put everything in the description box down below, and this is the name is Lotus. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, and until next video, Nisha Gang on No Gang, and we're out, and that's on what per, that's on period. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye.